In this video, we're covering ordering integers. So we're going to introduce you to a couple of new things. So the first thing we're going to be introducing you to is what we call less than or greater than symbols. So on your screen there, see how you have the arrow pointing to the right? That represents greater than. And if the arrow points the other way, is less than. So these can sometimes be hard to remember. So how we go about remembering this, one of the methods is it can help to think of these less than and greater than signs as being like the mouths of crocodiles. So they always want to eat the bigger number. So down here, if we have 3 is less than 1, notice if we have the arrow pointing, that mouth pointing towards the bigger number. So here, so we're saying that 3 is greater than 1. Alright, so it's eating the bigger number. And over here, we have -2. And the bigger numbers on the right, so the mouth is facing that way. So -2 is less than 3. Now sometimes another way to remember it is with the less than symbol, it's pointing this way like this. So if you turn it a little bit to the left, it actually almost makes an L shape, which means less than. So you can also remember that. Now ordering integers. When ordering integers, the more negative a number is, the smaller it is. So for example, if you have -20, that's smaller than -5, or -20 is smaller than -5. Now if we move on, we're looking at ascending and descending. Ascending means moving up, so going from smallest to largest, and descending means moving down, going from largest to smallest. So here's our first question. Complete the statement by using greater than or less than. So 4, since 4 is bigger than 1, the mouth is going to be eating the bigger one. So there you go. 4 is greater than 1. Now -1 and -6, -1 is bigger. So we know the mouth is going to be facing that way. Over here, -12 and 0. 0 is the bigger of the two, so its mouth will be there. Over here, -15 is the bigger, so the mouth is there. Now, here we're going to rewrite the set of integers in ascending. Now remember, ascending means going up, so we're going from smallest to largest. So we look for the most negative number here, so -8. We then look for the next one, 5, then 3. Then we can continue with normal. We know 2 is next, then 5. If we move down, we need to rewrite this set of integers in descending. And remember, descending is going down, so from largest to smallest. So what is the biggest number here? And obviously it's the only one that's a positive, so 1. We then go to the next, -3, -6, -15, and -48 is our smallest. So to recap what we just covered, because there was a lot there, we introduced you to the less than and greater than symbols. And remember, when you're talking about these signs, they're like the mouths of crocodiles. They always want to eat the bigger number. So for example, if I have 16 and 2, the open end or the mouth of the crocodile here, so the mouth of the crocodile is eating the 16, the bigger number. Now ordering integers, remember when you're ordering them, the more negative a number is, the smaller it is. So our example is -20 is smaller than -5. And lastly, we had ascending and descending. Ascending means moving up from smallest to largest, and descending means moving down from largest to smallest.